Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a login page in PHP, of course for beginners in 2024. So today we're going to learn how to create a login page using PHP. This tutorial of course is perfect for those who are just starting out with PHP and will help you understand the basics of like server-side scripting and authentication. So follow along as you build a simple yet effective login page. So let's get started. First, you will need to make sure that you have a local development environment. You can, of course, set up so you can use like software like XAMPP or AMMP, which provides an Apache server with PHP and MySQL. Once you have your environment set up, you can create a new projects folder named, like as example, login system and the HTDocs, which is directory, of course, for XAMPP, or the www, which is directory for MAMP. And next, of course, you will need to create a database to store some user information. You can open some PHP, of course, my admin, and create like a new database, like named maybe login DB or something like that. Then create a table named users and with the following like structure, which you'll basically have to do: create table users, then ID, int, of course, auto increments, primary key, username, var character, of course, and then not null unique, then the password var character, and etc. And of course, you can insert like even a test user into the table with the following inquiries. It's going to be like insert into users, username, password, and the value admins, of course, MD5 password. So if you're still a beginner and you don't know what I'm talking about, you can use like AI tool that everyone knows, which is called ChatGPT. So open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, can use whatever you want. Or go to this URL section, basically type chat.open AI.com and hit the enter button. Once you do so, you'll find yourself here in their home screen, main screen. Make sure to log in into an account so you can have your chat saved or create an account. You can do that with Google, Microsoft, I guess, and Facebook maybe, or Apple if you don't want to go through all the steps of creating or even logging into your account. Once you do so, you basically have to type or tell him what do you want. So, as an example, how to create a login page using HP as an example. So here I'll have just wait. So first of all, as we said, we'll have to set up the database. First, you'll need my set up my SQL database to store like some user informations, as you can see. So that's how you create it. As an example, you basically have to copy the code and insert it where you should do. Then set up to create a registration scripts. You'll need the registration scripts to add users to your database, and they give you the code also as PHP. Simply just copy the code and insert it where you should. Again, as you can see, here's the code. You can simply review it. If you see something off, you can tell them, or you basically be able to try it. If you want to even try the code, you can look for some PHP compilers. You can open a new tab as an example. Go and type PHP like compiler. As example, go to this one maybe. And here's an example. All you need to do, just first of all, delete all of that. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy that code, paste this right here, click on run, and see the output example and model you have imported is available at the moment. It will be available soon. So this one example, let me just go and try another one, and this one also, and see if it's gonna work. So just go here and delete those stuff, or wait, try it yourself. Okay, yeah. So here, then run as an example. So let me just wait for it. So yeah, as you can see, basically. So let me just go and even try in this one and see if it's gonna work. So this one not okay. This one is not okay. So yeah, as you can see here, this is the code. If you, as I said, want to change something, this first of all your login page, as you can see, it's already good to go. You basically have to do nothing. Just insert that PHP code that ChatGPT gives you. Do whatever you want. Of course, you can even create some login scripts. They give you even the code for it. So let's even try this one also. And click on run. See what's gonna appear here. I don't know. So the same, but it seems like this is a script. And yeah, here you can even create a welcome page as an example to add this before this login page. Let's try it out also. Why not? So as example, let me just wait for this until it loads. It should not take a lot of time. Of course, in the meantime, here you can even create a logout script for it. And the final steps, as example, you need to ensure the server is running on PHP and MySQL. You can use one of those, as I said, which is XAMPP or WAMP or any web server setup. Make sure to save your files, make sure to test the flow, and of course for security consideration you can always use preferred statement to prevent SQL injection, hash passwords using a secure algorithm, password hash in PHP, and you can use HTTPS to encrypt data between the client and the server. And this setup provides a basic yet functional user authentication system. So it seems like this is not working, the welcome page, but it's fine. Of course, you can always go back to ChatGPT and say the welcome page is not working. Can you this example? So the welcome script is not working. So and here, as you can see, he will just go and tell you again what to do and etc. All you need to do, just go and follow whatever he said. So if you're a beginner, if you're a total beginner, you will definitely need the help of ChatGPT and simply like a PHP compiler or something like that, and keep trying out stuff. So, example here, you can even try stuff. So, as example, I'll just here type hello and password. I'll just type something random and click on register, and see if it's working out. As I said, of course, you can try it normally with the other script of creating a login script to see if it's working or not. As I said, you can change whatever you want and the code and test your things out. An example here, I don't know what basically you want to change, so you can just go through this code. You can even ask ChatGPT to explain it and ask him if you want to change something. He will even change it for you if you want to. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching. Make sure to leave a like in this video to do more helpful tutorials like this one. And thank you for watching and goodbye.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.